and welcome to That's the Point. We're here, as is our want. That's a really good word. I love that. We need to use want more. But
It's an underutilized word.
It is, I know. This is our want to talk about construction positioning technology. My name is Corey Meyer, and today I'm joined by my buddy, Jonathan Stickle. What's up? Welcome back.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
You're back because we're going to continue our dive into Trimble GNSS receivers. And in this final little kind of mini-series installment on the topic, we're going to cover the topic of option codes and how to install them into your Trimble GNSS unit. Now, the concept of option codes is unique to the Trimble GNSS receivers, but first of all, what are they and why do we care about them?
Yeah, so option codes are pretty straightforward, actually. These codes unlock specific functions or features for your device. And in our example today, we're going to install a code to unlock RTX functionality for our receiver here.
Yeah, and it's a great point. And RTX is definitely the most common option code that we install because we do have to continually update that every year. But it's that correction service that Trimble has available so you can be able to use it without a base station. That's what we're going to update. But the first thing is, where do you get an option code from?
Yeah, well, that part's easy. You can just reach out to your local building point representative. We're here to help you out.
Yep. And so let's do this. So just like the previous episode, Jonathan is going to drive, and I'm going to kind of help and walk us through it while he's typing and using the laptop. So to begin this install process, we're going to need to connect to our receiver via Wi-Fi. So in case you're not sure how to connect to the receiver, we did discuss this very topic in the previous episode, and we've also linked it right down below. So picking up where we left off, if you look at the screen here, we've connected to our receiver and logged in, and we're looking at the homepage for our device in our connected web browser. So what we want to do is we want to start by navigating to the receiver status option on the left-hand side of the screen, and then we're going to click on receiver options. So, and if we look at this real quick, so this is our receiver options. This is everything that's enabled on your receiver, and this is a fount of information, especially if you're working with the support desk or something related like that. This is a lot of great information here because it's going to tell everything that's available. And in this case, we're going to update the Centerpoint RTX Fast subscription, and we can see that there's currently an expiration date of 10/09/2026 on that. Once we update that, you'll see that that number actually changes. So if you're renewing or you're adding months or term to that, we're going to add that right there. So anyways, from here we want to scroll down to the option code field, and we're going to copy paste that code into the field. So this is the code that you received from your local building point. So once we do that, we're going to click the install option and select OK. Now, depending on your configuration, you might receive another notice, just like Jonathan did, that you might have to reset the receiver. Just click OK to that as well. But in our case, we clicked OK, and magically, the options field did update. And in our specific example, the correction services field has updated, and RTX is now listed with the correct and updated expiration date. And that's all there's to it. We've successfully installed the RTX option to our GNSS device, and it's ready to go with the new subscription term.
Yeah, and one quick note, for those of you that are using RTX with Trimble Field Link, make sure that you've created a project and points file, or else you won't see the RTX options listed.
Yeah, we definitely hear with that one quite often, so make sure that you have both those things in order to see RTX listed at correction. And remember, for this topic or anything else pertaining to the world of GNSS, layout in general, your building point specialist is your go-to resource. And don't forget, smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks, and pointers. Jonathan, we did it. GNSS, I think you good for a while?
We're good. On to new topics.
Onward. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on That's the Point.